your chords sound buzzy, muted or messy like this, don't worry, most beginners are making the same few mistakes. And the good news is they're easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly why your chords buzz and how to clean them up fast. Hi, I'm Chris from Guitar With Me. The most frustrating things for beginners is when the chords just don't sound clean. You're trying your best, but the strings buzz, mute, or just sound wrong. Usually it comes down to just 3 simple problems. Let's fix the first one. If your finger is too far away from the fret, you'll need way more pressure and the string often buzzes. The fix is just to move your finger just behind the fret line. Not on top of it, just behind it. You'll get a cleaner sound with less effort. Another common issue is flat fingers. When fingers collapse like this, they accidentally touch nearby strings. That's what causes muted notes. The fix is to curve your fingers like you're holding a small ball. Come down on the fingertips instead of the finger pads. Most beginners press way too hard, and ironically that makes chords worse. The fix is to only use enough pressure for the note to sound clean. No extra force needed. Your hands should stay relaxed. Here's a simple exercise. Play one chord slowly, pick each string individually, and if one note buzzes, adjust the finger angle, move closer to the fret, and relax the pressure. This trains clean chords much faster. If you want step-by-step beginner practice routines and full song lessons, I've built a beginner guitar community that helps you improve without overwhelm. Link is in the description below. And if this video helped, subscribe for weekly beginner lessons. See you next time.